Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can see the password for Wi-Fi on any iPhone. Friends, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also put likes under the video and write your comments. So, dear friends, let us get started with you. First of all, open the settings on your iPhone. Next, you will need to find an option called Wi-Fi. It is usually located at the top, just like mine. Open it up, please. And if you want to know the password for the Wi-Fi current, which let's say you're connected to, then just click on this blue sign next to the Wi-Fi name. And you'll see the password option. Click on that. And as you can see, it will scan Face ID and then it will show you the password for your current Wi-Fi that you're connected to. And you can click copy if you need to do that. But what if you wanted to know the password for the Wi-Fi you've been connected to in the past? Then friends, go back to this Wi-Fi page here. Then on the top right, click Edit. As you can see, once again, there will be a scan of your face. After that, you will see absolutely all the Wi-Fis of their names that you have connected to before. Now you will need to select the Wi-Fi you want to know the password for. And in front of the name, also click on the blue sign. And friends, just click on the word password. And you'll immediately be shown the password for that Wi-Fi that you've previously connected to. This is the method, friends, very simple and quick method. You can easily see the password for Wi-Fi on any iPhone. I really hope this video has been helpful and useful for you, friends. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Goodbye.